Hello, in this video I will show you how you can insert SIM card to OPPO A5. So first of all, take your OPPO A5 and on the right side you can locate a SIM card slot. So now take your SIM eject tool which comes inside OPPO A5 box. Take it and place inside this hole over here, like that. Put it inside and it should click right now and take it off very carefully because it's easy to broke. So now on this side we can find SIM1 slot and SIM2 slot because it's dual SIM. So now take your SIM card, it's nano SIM card, and place it like that. You can find here a cut and also here is the cut. So place it like that. Okay, that was for the SIM1 slot. Also, I will show you how you can insert SIM card for SIM2 slot. So this is the SIM2 slot in the SD card slot. So you can choose between SD card or the SIM card because you can't use both. And again, place it like that. That's all. And now, if you have a SIM card on the slot 1, just simply take your OPPO A5 again, rotate your SIM card slot and place it like that. Put it inside and again very carefully close it. Now you can check the OPPO A5 and now as you can see here I have here I have operator name over here. So yeah, that works and that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.